Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create viral TikTok videos. So first and foremost, you must have your TikTok account, and in order to do that, you have to be public too. Now, I strongly suggest you use Canva for creating engaging videos. So basically, you have to create an account right here. Once you have created an account, then you go to create a design, tap on create a design right here, and then search for TikTok or TikTok videos. So basically, you will see this templates. Just tap on TikTok. And you just have to simply go directly there. You will see different templates. And let's just say if you want to create motivational videos, if you want to create a viral movies or whatsoever. So you just have to simply look for that specific or search for that specific niche or keyword that you want. Then basically you will see different templates that you can use. For example, this one. I will be creating viral videos about motivational quotes. So I will ask ChatGPT to help me generate some popular motivational quotes or popular quotes. I'm going to copy, go back to my Canva and then paste this. Of course, I need to also include the author. So I'm going to paste this one right here, copy and paste, and then I'm going to include the name of the author or the writer. So here in Canva, you can just basically change the font style, font size. You can change the background color, the background. If you want to change the image, you can add effects right here. And you can just basically change everything. It's so easy. And if you want to lengthen the video duration, you can just click and then drag. So basically that's how you create video here using Canva. Once you have created the video that you want, you can tap on the share and then download this as MP4. Once you have downloaded the video for a TikTok, you can now go back to your TikTok and then upload this one. Now, to make this go viral, you need to make sure that you know when to upload this video, the right schedule, the right day, right time. Also, create an engaging title, trending hashtags, trending sounds, as much as possible if you want to add thumbnail. So that's it. Just create a captivating, enticing title, hashtags if you want to mention, thumbnail, also the trending sound, and then when to post the video. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.